neighbors hate me. Woo. Oh well, let's go. So just stopped and picked up my Red Bull for the morning, and now we are on our way to the shop. I had to toss a light out in the truck because it's a little dark. So let's get over there, guys. Let's go meet up with everybody. Guys, what do we have here? What do we have here? Well, guys, we have something to show you. That's what we were excited for today. That's at least what I was excited for. Were you excited? Nick was excited too, so let's get it unloaded. Got a new toy. Arch laying eyes for the second time. I'm not gonna pan over there yet. What'd you buy?
New toy. What I buy?
What'd you buy?
Another toy.
This is what happens when you leave them alone with their credit card and about 45 minutes on the computer.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, we got something new. Hey, they brought the little truck today. You guys all know BP Machinery. We've used them a lot in the past. And, well, Art got a new forklift. You got a new forklift? Nah, just kidding. We got a new, used SL20. But the difference between this one and the other one is, and I can't explain this, I don't know anything. What's the difference?
Comes with that guy.
What's that guy?
Bar feeder.
Comes with the automatic bar feeder.
So basically, an employee that shows up to work every day.
So when you buy this machine, it comes with a free employee.
Just push the button and it'll run.
Like BP Machinery actually brought a different rig this time. They brought the smaller 18 foot with the forklift. So we're gonna get this guy unloaded right now. Well, they're gonna get it unloaded. So the best part about that like Art was saying was, when you buy the machine, oh, let's get out of the sunlight. When you buy the machine, it actually comes with a free employee, one that shows up. In the last video, I showed you guys that this was the prep area, the prep space. We marked out an area roughly what we thought it was. He had walked out the steps when they were there, so we had kind of just unloaded the actual bar feeder. Now they should be coming with the actual machine itself. And the SL20 is actually the same SL20 that we're running right here. The only difference on this one is this one's actually complete. So it has the bar feeder, it has the chute on the top, and it has the full conveyor on it. So it makes things a lot easier, because if you want to machine 200-300 pieces, there's actually no need for someone to actually stand there and man the machine. This will actually automatically grab the material, push it, size it, and cut off, machine it, and then cut it off what it needs to, and then automatically repeat that. So it's very similar to our CNC Armada saw that we have over there. I've personally never seen one of these in action. I've only seen videos and I've watched them online. I've seen it. We've always daydreamed about having stuff like this, you know, automated. So it's actually really, really nice to finally have one. We're excited. We're all excited. So as you guys know, in the last video, we had the electrical guy come, Greg, GR Electric, and he came and he was doing some electric stuff, getting everything ready. And I think he ordered we had to put a transformer in here. We're pretty much out of power on our two other panels, so we're having to bring in a transformer to drop down the 480, I believe that's what it is. Again, I'm not an electrical guy. I hate electrical when it comes to like house and building electrical. So that stuff is like a whole nother realm for me. But the new one's coming in right now, right behind me. There it is, coming into the door. So the SL20 just landed and they're actually getting it all squared up and lined up. They're getting the legs dropped in right now. So what they're doing is lining up the legs with the actual bar feeder. That way everything all fits and is squared up to the building. Have I mentioned I'm super excited for this? Super excited. What's the first part? What are we running? First part.
Either one.
What are we running? First part. If you tell it to YouTube. Oh, okay, there's the first part. 4,000 tank plugs. So they just shifted over slightly to the left about 2.5 feet just to gain clearance for the actual chip conveyor, because we noticed that there wasn't going to be enough space over there. You know, I gotta say, probably the best part about buying a new machine, you get free cookies. Shit, huh?
Oh, why? I didn't say anything.
I'm out of breath, as you guys can tell. So the machine's somewhat in its place right now. What we gotta do now is get this guy aligned and leveled out. And if any of you guys have ever leveled out machines, I mean, I think this one's close to 7,000 pounds. Trying to adjust it on a single screw on each corner, it is tiring with just using the wrench. And I gotta do that times 8. Normally it's only 4 to 5 or 4 to 6. I think the most we have is 6 on one of these. I gotta do it 8 times now. So I gotta get the main CNC, the main Haas, the SL20 itself. I gotta get that one aligned first, get that leveled and plumbed up. Then from there we'll align the actual bar feeder. Sounds easy. Let's see how it goes. Don't mind me, I'm just eating the free cookies. A good solid hour. This is the worst workout I've ever had. Literally my abs hurt, my triceps hurt. I've never pumped up and down so long. Oh man, lifting that machine on those jack screws, that's heavy. We had to do it 8 times just on one machine. So we had to do that because we had the wrong legs in there. So we got the right legs in there now, but now got that guy dialed in. Now we gotta adjust the other one. So that's the fun part. Those are the jack screws that I'm talking about right there. So we got those guys all leveled in. Don't mind my mouth, I'm still chewing on my cookie. All right, so quick update. So far we got the SL all leveled in, dialed in. We had to readjust it real quick because of the coolant tank. Next step here is we're working on getting the bar feeder level to the actual machine. Showing you inside close up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So this needs to slide in perfectly into that hole. It's gonna leave us a 30-second all the way around. So we gotta definitely get this guy dialed in. It's pretty close. We adjusted pretty close. So now we just gotta fine tune it. And like I said, we're gonna have a 30 seconds of clearance all the way around on this 3-inch material. So that's gonna make it fun. What's her name? Vanna White? Vanna White.
The price is right.
What do we got here, Vic? What do we got here? Tell the good people on YouTube. What do we have? Come on. You happy? Somebody's happy.
Oh, that's one.
He's excited. We finally got a piece off of a VF3. One of the first ones. We haven't had one of these in a while. So now I'll show you guys a little film. I'll cut to that right now. you guys saw that. Now you guys, we'll be moving on to the next project, the next items. Everyone's happy here because it's been a mission to get it back set up, so everyone's happy. Now again, like I said, back to the next one, on to the next one. Next ones, we got a whole bunch of them. So guys, we just picked up the transformer. If you guys can see it right there behind me. So super excited because that's one step closer. Greg, electric guy, just showed up right now, right before I left, and he's already starting. So he got an early morning jump start on us. So I just gotta make it across the street here. There we go. And we're gonna be on our way to the shop. So we just got word right now. Greg is just finishing up with the rewire on our compressor. We had to rerun and remove and reroute a whole bunch of stuff right now in order to get the new power in over there. So we're gonna be shutting down right now in the next 20-30 minutes, and everyone is on standby right now. So yeah, it's pretty hard to coordinate with a whole bunch of machines that have different timings. So luckily right now when I let them know, everyone was kind of on an idle anyway, so it kind of worked out. Now we got a bigger problem. We got a water leak behind one of our houses, so gotta fix that now. Just got word right now. Greg is just finishing up with the rewire on our compressor. We had to rerun and remove and reroute a whole bunch of stuff right now in order to get the new power in over there. So we're gonna be shutting down right now in the next 20-30 minutes, and everyone is on standby right now. So yeah, it's pretty hard to coordinate with a whole bunch of machines that have different timings. So luckily right now when I let them know, everyone was kind of on an idle anyway, so it kind of worked out. Now we got a bigger problem. We got a water leak behind one of our houses, so gotta fix that now. Oh man, guys, what a rough and tiring day. So we got transformer in. We got all the wiring transferred over from the 220 side, converted back to the 480, and we ran a few of our machines which run on 480 and 220. We ran it to the 480 stuff. Transformers wired in. Compressor's been transferred over. We got some of the wiring started over for the new SL20 with the bar feed. And what else do we do? Oh, we got the ground rod in, which was a mission because getting a ground rod in 6 feet or whatever it is, I think it's 6 feet, that was a mission. And we actually did the full 6 feet, which I know a lot of people don't do, but we actually did that. So all that's good. So that's dialed in. So tomorrow's gonna be a long day of forklifting and hoisting because we're gonna have to run overhead tomorrow, so that's gonna be interesting. And we have carrier bearings running at full speed. We have motor bands which are in the last step of the final touches. We're tweaking a lot of the program, and we got the logo designed for a lot of the zigzag blocks that we're gonna be working on very shortly. So there's a lot of things in motion here. There's a few things that came off. You guys saw carrier bearings hit the website. Also drive shafts just came in, so if you guys need a 58 to 64 Impala drive shaft with a slip yoke already machined and balanced, good up to 12-inch cylinders, those are back on the website. Those are ready to ship. We got tons of them in stock now. What else? I feel like there's just so many things coming in and out right now. It's been it's been a lot to take in the last few days, just as far as product in and out, producing. Impala Y bones are back in stock, which those are normally back in and out every other few days. So I just did about 8 of them today, so we're looking good on a lot of this product, guys. So thank you guys for always liking, sharing, subscribing. If you guys don't already subscribe, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like and the notification button. If you guys want to drop a comment below, feel free to drop a comment. If you guys are looking for pricing or any of that kind of quoting on items, please hit the website. All the items that are available are going to show add to cart or available, so it's a lot easier to check. A lot of times I don't respond to DMs in the middle of the night. I'm gonna tell you, I never respond to them in the middle of the night. So if you guys send me a DM at 2 a.m, please don't get upset, because an average person is sleeping at that time, just like myself. So thank you guys for always liking, sharing, subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.